As we've seen, there are lots of options for presenting data in ArcGIS Online. I can use any combination of colour, shade, size, symbol, transparency, and rotation to communicate the meaning in my dataset. To get started, I need to select the layer I want to work with from the layers list on the left-hand side. In this example, I'm interested in making a map of index of multiple deprivation in Glasgow. I've already added the dataset to my map and filtered it to show only neighbourhoods in Glasgow. With my layer selected, I can now click the Styles button on the right. Step 1 is to choose the attributes I want to present, in this case the deprivation decile. Smart Mapping will make some suggestions of styles that could be appropriate for the attributes that I've selected. I can click a style to see a preview with my data. This also brings this style to the top of the suggested list. I've selected IMD decile as the attribute I want to display, and I'm going to choose the counts and amounts colour as the style. Next up, I click on Style Options to take control of how the data is displayed. Once you've chosen a style, I'd always recommend clicking through the style options and taking control of the settings to make sure your data is displayed in a way that is appropriate. I want my map to highlight the most and least deprived neighbourhoods, so I'm going to change the theme from high to low to above and below. I'm then going to choose a colour scheme from the symbol style, and I'll click Done to confirm my colour choice. I'm also going to choose to classify my data using 10 categories, one for each of the 10 deciles. I'm going to edit the labels on my categories to make them easier to understand. And now I'm finished. Once I'm happy with my choices, I can click Done to commit my changes.